Your tablet's newly updated workshop tools now delivers expanded coverage, enhanced functionality, and more know-how than ever before. And, getting the job done has never been easier. Services are now categorized into resets, relearns, routines, calibrations, and inspections, making it simple to find the right service. The maintenance reset function gives you access to view recommended procedures, or send a command to reset the scheduled maintenance counter to 0 after maintenance was performed. This function should not be done unless the vehicle was recently maintained. Please visit us at Innova.com to learn more.
Find the problem, fix the problem.